I picked up some new setting spray. I was told that this MCoBeauty Miracle Flawless Setting Spray is a dupe for the Shirley Tilbury setting spray. I have that one at home. So I was going for a quick weekend and I needed a setting spray, but the Shirley Tilbury, the one I have, is in a large container and I really don't want to carry that one. So I thought, you know what, I need something small, something travel size, travel friendly. And then someone recommended this one to me at a Kruidvat. One of the Kruidvat workers said this is a dupe for the Shirley Tilbury setting spray. So I picked it up. I was just about to set my face and I thought, let me just do a quick video. I also pick up this L'Oreal Infallible setting spray. I've seen a lot of videos on this one. This one, everyone says smells like a hairspray. They're not lying. It does smell like a hairspray. I've not yet tried it. I thought, let me just bring it and maybe there will be a chance that I will need it. But let's just open this one because I've done my makeup and the only thing that's remaining for me to do is set my face and put on some mascara because I really don't feel like putting some fake lashes. So this is what the setting spray look like. So let's shake, 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 shake. I used too much. That was a lot. I was told if you want to use this one, you have to allow this one to dry and absorb into the skin. Then you can go ahead and use this one on top. But today I'm not actually in the mood of using this one. I just want to try this Miracle Flawless setting spray. I really want to try it. I want to see how it looks. So I'm going to allow it to dry. And then I'm going to do my mascara. And then I'll be back to show you guys the finished results. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere, okay? So guys, this is the finished result. Oh my God, I'm in love. I am in love. I really love this setting spray. I've just wear it now for like a couple of minutes. Okay, I haven't tested it out yet for a long time, but I love how flawless my skin look. Okay, my skin looks so beautiful. Yeah, I have some 1 or 2 breakout there. You can barely see it. I really try to conceal it, but you still see it. But overall, I really love it. Like, yo, this is so affordable. Like, it's really, really affordable. So, yeah. We'll be wearing this a lot, okay? And as for this one, I'll take another time to test it out. But so far, I'm loving it. I love how my makeup turned, my signature hairstyle, slick back. I just love how everything look. Outfits. Looking good. Looking good. We're ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. So yeah, I love it. Okay, I'm going out right now, and I'll be back later in the night when I'm done with whatever I'm gonna do. I'll be back to show you guys how my face still looks so good. I didn't go in with some eyelashes. I thought, you know what, let me just put some mascara and just keep it a little bit more simple. But I'm loving it. My skin is glowing. It looks so flawless. It looks so beautiful. Yeah, stay tuned. I'll be back by the end of the night to show you all how my skin is looking. So far so good. Skin is looking cute, looking beautiful. I was supposed to come back and give you guys a review. The makeup was beautiful throughout the night. My stomach was so full. I was so tired. All I wanted to do is take a shower and go to bed. But these videos you guys are seeing, I used the setting spray throughout all of this.